How to improve your health. Staying healthy is a key component to living a long and happy life. There are many aspects to both mental and physical health that can make it hard to maintain. You can improve your health in many ways, but it can be overwhelming to attempt all of these changes at one time. The best way to improve your health is by making small changes that you stick with. Over time, you can add new changes and build upon the old ones. By focusing on one or two areas at a time, you can gradually improve your health. Method 1. Keeping a healthy diet. Number 1. Eat a balanced diet of foods that are high fiber, healthy fats, low sugar, and low salt. A healthy diet gives you more energy and improves your outlook and moods. High fiber diets help keep you regular, and lower your risk for stroke, heart disease, and diabetes, while excess salt can increase your risk for these complications. Sugar causes short energy spikes that can lead to a crash later. It has also been linked to depression and diabetes. Healthy fats can be found in foods such as fish, nuts, and avocados. Eat lots of leafy green vegetables. Kale, broccoli, cabbage and other leafy greens are packed full of essential vitamins and nutrients. Number 2. Start your day with a high-protein, high-fiber breakfast. Eating breakfast every day is a must. Waking up and eating a filling breakfast helps you maintain concentration during the day, enhances strength and endurance during physical activity, and can lower cholesterol levels. Eating a breakfast high in protein and fiber will keep you full throughout the morning and help you avoid snacking. Fiber is also digested slower and helps you feel full longer. Eat lean protein such as eggs or a slice of salmon. Whole grain, high-fiber cereals can also keep you full through the morning. Number 3. Keep a food log of everything you eat each day. Just the act of writing down what you've eaten can keep you from eating that extra candy bar. Keeping a log of everything you eat makes you aware of gaps in your diet or unhealthy foods you may be consuming too much of. Assess the foods you eat on a regular basis, every 1 to 2 weeks, and alter your diet as necessary. Find a logger that works best for you. Some may want to use plain old pencil and paper while others might find a website or phone app works better. Keep your diary nearby so you don't have to go out of your way to log the foods you eat. Number 4. Read the nutrition labels on packaging. Foods containing hydrogenated oils and high fructose corn syrup are not going to be good for you. Taking a second to read the ingredients list and nutrition facts will make you more aware of what you're eating. Foods high in sugar and sodium should also be avoided. When reading the labels, note the serving size. At first glance, a food item might not seem that bad until you realize there are 3 servings in the package. Number 5. Cut up fruits and vegetables when you get home. A lot of fruits and vegetables get thrown out because they are forgotten about or you don't take the time to prepare them right away. Cut up those fruits and veggies in the way you prefer to eat them. Keep them in a clear container at eye level in the refrigerator. When you are craving a snack and open the fridge to see what's inside, you'll see the fresh fruits and vegetables and reach for those instead of something unhealthy. Number 6. Order groceries online to avoid impulse buys. Grocery stores are specifically set up to encourage consumers to buy things they wouldn't necessarily have on their list. In addition, many of the items that appear to be a great deal have little to no nutritional value and are not good for a healthy balanced diet. If you find that you have a tendency to succumb to impulse buys, try doing your shopping online. Check to see if your local grocery store has an online ordering system. There are plenty of other online sources that allow you to shop online and have the groceries delivered directly to your door. Method 2. Exercising to improve health. Number 1. Exercise at least 30 minutes a day, 5 times a week. It is recommended that you get at least 150 minutes of moderate activity in a week or 75 minutes of vigorous activity. Getting your heart rate up for just 30 minutes a day increases your health as you age and can have positive impacts on brain function, improving focus and mood. Go for a brisk walk, 15-minute mile, around the neighborhood before or after work. Exercise in water for a low-impact workout. Number 2. Start small by exercising 1 to 2 times a week. Don't try to change your whole life routine in one day, it won't work very well. Start by implementing small changes that can grow into something more. Try adding exercise 1 to 2 times per week. Gradually increase this until you're doing something small at least once a day. You can also add a small exercise to something you normally do every day. Try doing push-ups, sit-ups, or jogging in place while the water warms up for the shower. Walk around while talking on the phone. Do a few calf raises while you're waiting for water to boil. Number 3. Invest in a fitness tracker. Keeping track of your walking and exercise can help make you more aware of the amount you get up and move in a day. Some trackers can be set to buzz if you have been inactive for too long, encouraging you to get up and stretch or walk around. Many fitness trackers also have an encouraging social community incorporated into the phone app that you can choose to use. Ask friends and family to join a fitness challenge through the app to keep everyone motivated. Set fitness goals for yourself and see how many days in a row you can meet them. Number 4. Stretch your body. Stretching may seem like a very passive exercise, but it will get your heart racing if you do it right. Stretching helps you maintain flexibility and strengthens muscles to help with balance and prevent injury. Start a daily routine to stretch in the mornings after you get up to add some energy to the start of your day. Number 5. Develop an exercise routine that works for you. Not everybody can be a marathon runner or go to the gym every day. Exercise is all about getting your body moving and your heart rate up. Gardening, dancing, hiking, biking, swimming, and chasing after your kids and pets can all be great exercise. Join a gym and try the fitness classes there. Sign up for a sports team to exercise and be social at the same time. Look under the fitness section of a discount site and see if there are any classes that look interesting. Method 3. Preventing disease and injury. Number 1. Wash your hands. This one may seem like a no-brainer, but it is still important. Washing your hands is one of the easiest ways to avoid getting sick and spreading disease. Wash your hands regularly, particularly after you use the restroom and before you eat food. Wash your hands with warm, soapy water for at least 20 seconds. Dry them well with a clean towel. If soap and water are not available, hand sanitizer can work in a pinch, however, it is less effective when hands are visibly dirty. Number 2. Avoid over-sanitizing your home. Although keeping your hands clean is important, it is also okay to get dirty every now and then. Your immune system functions to prevent disease, but has to first be exposed to that disease or something similar before it can fight off future infection. Keeping your environment too clean and limiting your exposure to microbes can be detrimental to your immune system's ability to fight disease. Do be careful to sanitize after handling animal products such as raw meats and eggs. Number 3. Take probiotics. Probiotics are the good bacteria that help your body function and stay regular. These good bacteria are important in maintaining intestinal health, as opposed to the bad bacteria that can lead to infection. They may also help in the prevention of yeast infections and urinary tract infections. Probiotics can be found in yogurt or taken as a daily supplement. In addition, don't ask for antibiotics every time you get sick. Your body needs to develop its defenses by fighting the infection on its own. In addition, antibiotics only work when you have a bacterial illness. They will have no effect when you are sick with a virus, such as when you have the flu. Number 4. Quit smoking. It's no secret that smoking is bad for your health. It's also not easy to quit smoking, but there are ways to help you succeed. Benefits of quitting include decreased risk for heart attack and stroke, decreased coughing, shortness of breath, reduced risk for mouth, throat, esophageal, and bladder cancer, and better overall quality of life. Nicotine gum and patches are available to help ease the cravings during the process of quitting. Talk to your doctor about prescription medication that can also assist in quitting. Join a support group to help you quit and keep you motivated. Number 5. Moderate alcohol intake. A glass of wine or a beer every now and again is okay, but drinking every night or excessive drinking, like binge drinking, can be hard on your body. Your liver in particular has to work overtime to process alcohol. Drinking too much over a lifetime can lead to liver failure and other bodily harm. Alcohol is also very calorie dense and can lead to weight issues. Women should limit alcohol to less than 1 drink a day, men less than 2. Do not drink alcohol if you are pregnant or have other complicating conditions. Number 6. Challenge your brain. Many studies have shown that keeping your brain active by doing puzzles can be beneficial to your health and lower your risk for dementia and memory loss. Keep a puzzle book handy by your bed or in the bathroom. Try an online subscription to a brain games website. Number 7. Get an annual checkup with your doctor. A great way to keep yourself healthy is through prevention. Going to your annual checkups allows your doctor to know how you are doing and catch any potential illnesses before they begin. Many illnesses are manageable in their beginning stages, but become much more difficult to treat if they have been left unchecked. Schedule your appointment for the following year before you leave the doctor's office. Method 4. Lowering stress levels. Number 1. Identify common stressors in your life with a stress journal. If you feel overwhelmed all of the time and don't know how to manage, start by keeping a journal of what makes you stressed. Write down exactly what made you feel stressed, how you felt, how you responded to that stress, and what, if anything, you did to feel better. Identifying the common areas that cause you stress can help you better manage them long term. When you know what's causing the stress, you can take steps to counteract it before it gets out of control. The stress journal can also help you identify if you have any unhealthy coping mechanisms, such as overeating, binge drinking, or procrastination. Number 2. Try meditation. Meditation is a great way to distress and relax for a few minutes each day. Daily meditation may even make you more resilient to the stressors of everyday life. Sit up straight with both feet on the floor, close your eyes, and recite a positive mantra such as, "Be at peace." Don't get mad at yourself or become frustrated if your thoughts wander, this is normal. Just gently return to your mantra. Let the distracting thoughts drift away. Number 3. Take a deep breath. Deep breathing can lower your heart rate and blood pressure, allowing you to take a moment away from a stressful task. If you are feeling overwhelmed, stop what you are doing and take a quick breathing break. Turn everything off for 5 minutes and focus on inhaling deeply and exhaling slowly. You should feel your belly rise with each inhalation and lower when you exhale. Number 4. Think positively. When you're feeling stressed, it's easy to get into a doom and gloom mode. Every little thing seems to be working against you, but in reality it's just the way you're currently seeing the world. Thinking positively will help you get out of this mode and reframe your view of the situation. Try thinking positive phrases, such as "this will pass," "I'll get through this," and "I can manage this" with a few deep breaths. Number 5. Write a manageable to-do list. A lot of stress in our lives comes from knowing that we have 1,000 things to do and no time to do them. Write a master list of all the things you can remember that need to get done and then break that down into manageable tasks. It can also be helpful to set certain tasks for certain days. Don't worry about the huge to-do list, just focus on a few items that you want to tackle that day. Before you know it, you'll have everything crossed off your list. Breaking tasks down into smaller, manageable chunks makes it easier to actually get started crossing them off instead of being paralyzed by the workload. Number 6. Take care of small tasks right away. If there is a task that has been nagging you, but it will only take 2 minutes to complete, just do it right when you think about it. If you're not able to do it in the moment, add it to your small, but manageable to-do list. Tackling the small things will keep them from bringing you down and give you a feeling of accomplishment. Write down all the tasks you've taken care of each day to keep track of how much you really can do in a day. Number 7. Get better sleep. Many individuals don't get enough sleep at night. Lack of sleep can lead to premature aging, high blood pressure, and increased stress. Try to get at least 8 hours of sleep a night. If you find you have trouble sleeping at night, there are a few ways to improve your sleeping habits. Keep your bedroom at a comfortable, cool temperature. Only use your bedroom for sleeping. If you have a desk in your bedroom and do work in there, your brain will not associate that space with sleeping. Try to keep the bedroom just for sleeping to train your brain that it is a place just for resting and recharging. Set a sleep schedule and stick to it. Oftentimes, it is hard to stick to a consistent sleep schedule, but it is one of the easiest ways to improve sleep quality. Set the same time for going to bed and waking up every day, including weekends. Number 8. Make time to relax and have fun. If you're happy about things and feeling good about your life, you'll be able to handle stress better than if you're in a bad mood all the time. Make a list of activities that make you happy and help you relax and use them when you are feeling overwhelmed. Take a little time out of every day to indulge in an activity you enjoy. Schedule relaxation time. If you're a planner, you might need to specifically schedule time in your day to relax. That's okay, as long as you actually take that time for yourself. Small activities such as cuddling with your pet or significant other, making a quick art project, taking a walk, listening to music, or writing in a journal can be great stress relievers.